All these flowers here, coming down here.
And sometimes not.
And Edward, do you also like to join?
Yes, I'm coming. Got the flowers here. Still got more of them coming down here. All the flowers here. Look at all these here. Beautiful. Coming down here. Okay. And watch your step. Come down to the town here. Do a little walkie. Had a little shower. So we sat inside for about 15 minutes till the downpour stopped. That's why the ground's all wet. So I gotta watch my step here. And it's not really slippery, but you never know. The rocks are sharp. And the skin is weak. So we don't want any contact with any of that. Okay, still coming down. Making our way, almost down. Okay, I can turn this off now. Oh, we stopped along here to look over there. I think the Jungfrau is the one up there. We're actually not going there. We're going to the Schlitzohorn tomorrow. But I've been to the Jungfrau before, but feel all that water coming down from the top of the mountain there. Beautiful, beautiful. Just really nice. Alright, gotta get back on the trail here. This is paved trail. Look at this, all downhill, paved. I can pick up speed here and everything. Okay. Now we got some water flowing down from up beyond the trees there and coming out down here. And we're still walking down the hill, and more nice, beautiful views as we're going down here. So, gorgeous little walk here. A little cool. Like I said, got to put the long sleeves back on here. But okay. Nice view of the valley over there. So working our way down. There's a cable car coming up. As you can see it right up here. So there it is. We'll see if we get the people to wave up there. You can see the wave up there. Okay. There it goes. A little rain here. Alright. This is our trail. We're going down. We're going to go down there. Down where those people are down there. So, still picking them up. Putting them down. Shadow Man has made an appearance here. Alright. Shadow Man in Switzerland. Okay, here we go. Keep on the move here. Well, now we're on a bunch of steps after we got off that windy paved trail zigzagging down the mountain. We're on a whole lot of steps. There was a whole lot behind me. They came down a whole lot in front of me yet, so gotta keep watch what I'm doing here. Okay.